In this tutorial, you will see how to get the edgePlug SINUMERIK CNC solution and install it into your Siemens Industrial Edge device. On Softing's webpage, go to Products, Docker Container, and then select the edgePlug SINUMERIK CNC tile. Here you can find in the upper part the link that will take you directly to the Siemens Industrial Edge marketplace. In this webpage, you can directly add the product into your shopping basket. It is also possible to select the number of licenses needed for your project. After having purchased the required licenses, the respective application icons should appear in your account's library. Here you can click on the edgePlug SINUMERIK CNC icon, select the IEM instances where you want to copy the app, click on the Copy Latest Version to IEM button, confirm the process with the Copy option. A message in the upper right corner should appear that the copying process has been successfully started. After the copying process has finished, it should be possible to find the app in your Siemens Industrial Edge Management's catalog. Select the edgePlug SINUMERIK CNC icon, click the Install button, then click on Next. Select the Edge devices from the displayed list where you want it to be installed. Confirm the install option that best suits you. After reading the given advice, select Install. Your installation request has been processed and the status of the installation can be monitored in the Job Status section. After a moment, the status of the job task should be updated to Executing. When the process has successfully been installed, the status should be displayed as Completed. Then, the app icon should appear in the My Installed Apps section, as well as directly in your Siemens Industrial Edge device. This concludes the installation of the Softing edgePlug SINUMERIK CNC solution, and your app is ready to be used in your project. Further information can be found on our website industrial.softing.com. Thank you for your attention.